Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Cyrus's, I think Cyrus might have to correct me on this. I think this is his 8th Section 8 rental property, guys. Cyrus is an absolute beast. He's killing it, doing amazing. He is a master so far at the Burr method, and this house is going to be the same. Guys, this was a 2-bedroom house, totally distressed. Really beat up. Rehab here about $100,000. We've done absolutely everything you could possibly do. Full electrical rewire, brand new replumb, new sewer line, full cosmetic. Everything in here is going to be brand new. It has a new roof on it. You name it, it's been done. The entire exterior has been sided in all new vinyl. It's got all new windows. And we are waiting on the final plumbing inspection to be signed off on before we can move forward with the next piece of this, which is putting the entire house together. So the entire house has been rewired already. Come on in, and I'll kind of walk you through it. So guys, part of this house was originally full gutted. The siding's done, the windows are done. All the floors came up, all the walls came out for the most part. We opened this whole thing wide up. This was originally one large living room with a kitchen here on the right side. Basically, this is now our kitchen. So you see, we had to reframe a lot of this house. We'll put a brand new ceiling throughout the entire house, all brand new walls. You have your sink, you have your refrigerator, you have your stove, you have your new drain lines, your new PEX water lines, all your new windows throughout the whole thing, which you'll notice. This was wide open, so this was an entryway into the living room, which is now bedroom number 1. So originally this was a 2-bedroom house. We're turning it into a 3-bedroom house. You have the framed-in closet right here as well. You have all your new electrical wiring, which you guys will see throughout the entire house. Everything down here, it's all brand new coated electrical throughout the entire thing. So all your outlets, everything here is done and awaiting put back. So brand new electrical panels. We framed this room in also. This is also a bedroom. So this was not a bedroom either. We're framing this and creating a wall here to create a bedroom here. You can see underneath, we put a brand new sewer line in there. Had to take this up, brand new floor system, new subfloor. As you guys can tell, this is all brand new. The old system had old rafters. We tore that up, got rid of it. So brand new floor system in here. You guys can see all the new piping there as well. We'll update all this, and this, of course, will have all new sheetrock and drywall throughout the entire place. So brand new electrical panel. It'll get a brand new service also. We created another room back here. This is going to be a bathroom. Brand new subfloor here. Brand new floor system under here too. You'll have your tub right here waiting on the final inspection for this. You have your sink, your new drain lines, your brand new toilet sewer line right there. So guys, flying through, I want to take you through here quick, just so you can see what this was, because it'll be really cool once it's done. You're gonna love it. This is bedroom number 3. So new concept we're trying. We're gonna leave a toilet in all these bedrooms, so you don't have to go to the bathroom. I'm just kidding. I don't know why that's in there. That'll be trashed, probably where someone's hanging out after they're doing some work. But you can see all the base right here above the baseboards of every single room have been stripped out, because when you're bringing the house up to code for electrical, you have to add outlets every certain amount of feet. So that's why those are like that. This is a doorway that we are eliminating. So as you can see, we're going to put drywall right here, frame this out. So the main entrance is going to be off of that hallway. And then you'll have this as your living room. So all the windows have been reframed, and it's beautiful. It's going to be great. Really high ceilings. It's really nice. It's in a great area. And we're right across the street from a church. So, guys, I'm thrilled for Cyrus. Everything he touches turns to gold, and this is going to be just like it. Cyrus has been to his houses. He's seen some of them once. He's been out here, and hopefully comes out here again to check on his portfolio. But you don't have to, and that's the beautiful thing about using our team, using our people, is you never have to see these things. You can just come here, check them out if you want to, but everything here is going to be done and facilitated for you on your behalf without you ever having to be here, whether you're foreign, whether you're domestic, whatever it is, we have the ability to take care of anything and everything. So guys, if you want to do this, you want to do projects like this, but you're afraid because you don't have the team, send me an email in the link below and we'll get you started. We'll see you next time.